Hey folks, I'm going to show you how to make a family of foxes. So I'm always telling you, make things into a package, because if you make things into a package, you can go into your, I'll show you how to do it, View, Toolbox, and let's make this toolbox bigger. And you go into Inventory, and that's your stuff. And then you go My Packages, because I have models in here too. But now I can just, I got, everything I've made over the last couple of years is in here, although it doesn't seem to be showing me everything. But yeah, if I search for fox, I get some foxes. So let's just do fox 001, because I must have modified it and made, oh, we'll do fox 002. So there's the fox. We'll Command F. Let's get rid of this toolbox, get it out of our view space. F. Whoop, no, what happened? Sorry. Okay, fox, you're a big fox. So this could be the mom fox. And we will turn on collisions so that we can just place it down on the ground. Oh my gosh, it's colliding with that. Well, this fox is pretty big. Let's make it smaller. There we go. Hit F. That's pretty cute. So we will, and if you want to learn how to make this fox, just let me know in the comments and I'll do a full tutorial on it. It's a fun project. So there's the mama fox, and now, so that's called fox 002, and it's links to the package. So we're going to Command D it. I don't know. Command Z that. Undo collisions. Click on the fox, Command D it for duplicate. Slide it over here, and then we'll Command 4 it. Turn it around so it's facing the mom. Command 3, make it nice and small. And then Command 2 it down to the ground. Turn on collisions. Place it on the ground. Boop. Now we'll Command D it. Oops. Turn off collisions. Command D it. And Command L to change my... You see that Command L changes the direction from part orientation to world orientation. So I'm going to put it into the fox's orientation. There's another baby. Turn this on a little bit. And then Command D that one. Drag it over here. Command 4. Turn a little bit. And how cute is that? A little family of foxes. This would be a good for my thumbnail. They're all going, hi mom. And let's go back. That's it. I was going to go to the toolbox and give them a carrot. Let's try that. Let's go to View, Toolbox. Never use other people's models. They're full of viruses. And you don't learn anything by just using other people's stuff. I mean, using other people's stuff is cool if you want to figure out how to do something. Look at that. We got a carrot. I think my daughter made this one. All right. Get the carrot in there. Get rid of this. Toolbox, hit F, because they're hungry. So put the carrot here. Now we'll make it so that the mom brought home the carrot. She foraged it, and they're hungry. They're all going, oh boy, a carrot. Turn it a little bit. How's that look? Mom brought home, oh, I didn't put it in the right place at all. Mom brought home a carrot for the little ones. Anyway, you get the picture. You can save everything you make in the toolbox, and then Command L, oops, Command L, and then when you need it again, you'll have fun things like carrots and good enough. All right, so that might be my screenshot. Please subscribe. If I get 1,000 subs, I can monetize this. Thank you. Stop recording.